Search engine optimization, SEO, is essential for cryptocurrency exchanges to increase their online visibility and attract more potential customers. By optimizing and promoting your website to rank higher on search engine results for relevant keywords, you can gain more exposure for your brand and drive more traffic and leads from search engines. Effective keyword research is crucial for identifying high-volume, relevant keywords that can drive traffic to your site. On-page SEO strategies, such as optimizing meta tags and improving page speed, enhance user experience and search engine rankings. Building high-quality backlinks from authoritative sources also boosts your crypto exchange's credibility and search engine authority. Additionally, leveraging social media and monitoring SEO performance helps in continuously refining and improving your SEO strategies. SEO is crucial for cryptocurrency exchanges, as Google has been the main driver of traffic to crypto websites in the past decade. If you're looking for higher growth, more customers, leads, sales, and branding for your crypto exchange platform, SEO is the best, most efficient, and cost-effective way to achieve these goals. Effective keyword research is key in identifying high-volume keywords with low or medium competition that are relevant to your specific crypto exchange services. Balancing competition and relevance is crucial in keyword research to target a more qualified audience. Tools for keyword research can assist in finding the right keywords for your crypto exchange SEO strategy. On-page SEO strategies are crucial for improving the visibility and ranking of cryptocurrency exchange websites. Optimizing meta tags and descriptions, improving page speed and user experience, and creating high-quality, keyword-rich content can drive organic traffic to your site. Building backlinks from authoritative sources is also important for boosting your website's authority and driving targeted traffic. Strategies for earning quality backlinks include guest posting, outreach, and content syndication. Monitoring and maintaining backlink health is essential for building authority online and enhancing SEO performance. Leveraging social media is essential for engaging with the crypto community and driving traffic to your cryptocurrency exchange website. Building and engaging online communities, using social media to drive traffic, and integrating social media with SEO efforts can boost your brand's visibility and credibility. Technical SEO considerations, such as ensuring mobile friendliness, optimizing website architecture, and implementing secure and fast hosting solutions, are crucial for a successful crypto exchange platform. Measuring and analyzing SEO performance for crypto exchanges is essential for staying ahead in the competitive digital landscape. Tracking key metrics, using analytics tools effectively, and adjusting strategies based on data insights can help you refine your SEO approach and improve your search engine rankings. By optimizing your website, improving search engine rankings, and driving organic traffic, you can elevate your online presence and boost your crypto exchange's growth and ROI.